guys, welcome back to Alecia Home. Today I'm coming with a quick video on how to make hot chocolate bombs. I know that you have seen them all over the internet, all over Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, everywhere. Well, today your girl is going to try to do them. I got my son who is excited to make them with me. He's actually being my cameraman right now, but he's going to get a little more involved and help me out with the whole process. So I got everything that we need. I got our molds, I got the chocolate melts, I got the peppermint hot chocolate. You can use whatever kind of hot chocolate you want, or you can even use latte powder or cappuccino powder. Put whatever you want in yours. But if you're interested in how to make these hot chocolate bombs that are so famous right now, stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so the first thing you're going to need is a double boiler. And you're going to need a pot with the double boiler option on top. And we're going to put some water in this pot a little bit above the line here. What's that? Oh, reflection. Okay, so a little bit about right here, we're going to put water. Okay, so stay tuned. It should be enough. And now we're going to put that back on top. We're going to heat our water until it is steaming. So you're going to keep your pot like that. And you're going to heat it up. We have a gas range. Okay, you guys, as you can see, my camera's kind of fogging up, but we got a good steam. We don't, from what I'm understanding, we don't want a hard boil, because we want it to melt slowly. If you melt the chocolate too high and too fast, it can seize up on you. So we're going to follow instructions and keep it kind of low. But what I like about it is you can control the heat. So you can turn it up and down, and you can take it off or on and control the heat so that you're not melting your chocolate. Okay, so stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so this is the chocolate we're going to be using, the Ghirardelli dark chocolate flavored melting wafers. And I'm going to have my son go ahead and put them in and start stirring them. You take that one. I'm just going to use this little spoon. We have these little molds here, and we're going to put it in, and we're going to spread it. So this is how we have it. We're just going to spread it up like that. Without any of it showing. So you don't want to, you want to have a nice thick coat. So what we're going to do is put one layer and then come back and put another layer. I'm going to put these in the freezer, you guys. Just a few minutes. Not even a minute, right? Maybe like 60 seconds, maybe.
Let me see you, Mommy.
So,
let me see yours.
In there. And here's my son's. We're gonna put his in there now. I'm so excited. They are coming out of they're coming out. Okay, so we got them out. I got these cute little cupcake tins, the foil, gold foil. And I'm gonna put it in there. Uh-oh. Ooh, I dropped it and it still didn't break. Look at that, y'all. OMGs and yay. They come like, go get yours out the freezer. Oh my gosh, and you can freeze these, y'all. So I'm so excited. First of all, first and foremost, let's just say that I'm excited because I thought this was gonna be a real fail, like for real. Okay, you guys, so we have our hot chocolate bum halves right here. Yes, and we're gonna let the girls put the marshmallows in just a moment. But to start off, we have our hot chocolate right here. Ooh, girl. Okay, so we're gonna start putting hot chocolate in half. So we're gonna put this row, and then you can put that row. Merry Christmas! Woo! All right, you guys, so this is what we're looking like. We have our hot chocolate buns filled on this side with the hot chocolate and some extra marshmallows because we like that. And these are the empty side, but we got a little bit in there, but that's okay. And then we're gonna put in some crushed peppermint. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do next. We're gonna heat up this little pan that I have. It's a very small pan, let me show you. It's a very small pan, see? And we're gonna heat it up, and this is what we're gonna use to melt the other side of the chocolate bun to stick it down, okay? That's what we're gonna do. Okay, you guys, so these are the hot chocolate bums, and I think we did a really good job for our first time. We sprayed them with some edible gold spray, gold glitter spray, and then we just sprinkled some crushed peppermints on top as well, so you can see them here. You can see how they look. Go ahead and warm up the milk. Get ready for hot chocolate bum-tastic. Go ahead and warm up the milk and get ready for those yummy